All right.
We're live?
I think we're live.
Slay.
I think we're live.
Slay.
I don't know, but I think.
Yep, we are.
Okay, good.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Oh. Okay.
What?
I think I'm going to do this background first because otherwise I'll have black
It'll
ink
be-
on there and we
yeah.
don't want that. So, how is everybody? Jilly's been working on her,
I've been preparing for oak.
yes, preparing for oak, which, let's give that a shameless plug. Give me the cards, wherever they are. So, two cards. Where are they? Here's what you get in the kit. And it is Saturday, so you would just have to follow along the video after you get this. We would do our best to get it out, but... So, the cool cat, perfect pumpkin, signature polka dot.
Yep.
Oh, whoop.
Sugar
Falling
was
off.
going down, swinging.
You get a large brush that's not been used. The other one's out on the counter, I think.
A glue.
A glue.
And an embossing powder gilded sparkle.
From Brutus Monroe. Isn't that cool? Okay. And what we're going to use that for is for those eyes and that pumpkin. And we might use them for these eyes too.
Maybe. We'll have to see how I'm
So
feeling on
anyways.
that day.
There's those. Grab the kits. Again, it will be up as soon as we are done and get it posted. So tonight, I don't have a sample of what I'm doing. I'm just going to wing it. I like the looks of that, so we're basing it off of that. Okay, are we ready to start the card?
Yep. I'm sorry.
Did you post that we were going to be on? No, that's why.
I forgot, guys.
She forgot to post that we're going to be doing this. Okay, so this is the Stitch Dot exclusive to Jillian. And it is the rectangle. And it fits right in those guides. See how that works? That way your stars are all centered.
So fun and easy.
Yep. So what I'm going to use tonight is our baby blender. And we got some new ink.
Oh, you're doing the white? I thought you were going to do the black.
On black is on the black. White is on the white. So I'm going to try this. It's the Delicata White Shimmer. Very pretty ink. And we're going to use that on the star stencil on the white. So it's going to be very subtle. And just take it and blend it in like you normally would any other ink. And this little brush is so nice because it does fit a little smaller. Maybe you can't do that. It fits a little smaller in those little teeny stars. And this, again, is going to be very, very subtle. You're probably not going to be able to see a lot of it on the card, but it's going to give that little bit of shimmer. And you can tell more of where you've been on the stencil with the ink. But I tried it earlier on the white and it was really cool. White on white. So, just gonna go over it.
Hi, Lois.
Hi. Okay, so we're taking this off. And there you go. Isn't that cool? It's just pretty subtle, but it's very pretty. Look.
Oh, yeah. I really
So
like
it's
that.
kind of given a silver effect. I don't know why. But that's all right with me.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Huh.
Okay, now we're going to do on the witch hat, we're going to take the same stencil, paper towel please, and we're going to take another mini blender, baby blender. Thank you. Kind of just wipe this off here. It is a pigment ink, so it takes a little longer to
Mom
dry.
is doing the card tonight because I have been cutting stuff out for...
Be one of a kind.
Yes. Do they have any other colors besides the gold, silver, black, and white?
Not in the shimmer.
Okay.
And the oak, if you're joining us, is at 12:30 Eastern time.
Even if you don't have the kit, come.
Yeah, come watch.
Us. We're fun, right? I don't know. Are we?
I don't know. We fun?
I don't know. Sometimes I question.
So I'm going to put this stencil on and kind of arrange it how I want. There, I think I want it like that. Okay. With the hat underneath it, can you guys see that? And then I'm going to take the black shimmer. Yeah, I decided to do this because she was working on the other stuff. And I said, I'll do it. I'll do it. And I just love these little brushes. They're just so cute. They work just as great as the large ones, but for these little teeny stars, they just get right in there. Okay. I hear a puppy at my feet. Hi,
Me
Angus.
too.
Hi, Angie. Okay. And you know, so we've had beautiful days lately, but they're saying what? Lows in the 40s and 50s coming Friday.
Oh, I'll start crying.
Thursday and Friday.
I'm not ready for that.
No, I'm not either. Look how cool that looks.
Hey, buddy. The dog is licking me, and he has this problem of licking me, and I don't know what to do about it.
Okay, there's that. Very subtle. Can you guys even see that on there? Am I tilting it to show? There. Ta-da! Okay. So we have that, which actually has a thing on it. Oh, there we go.
You got it off.
Okay, so what I want to do now is use the Misty. And
Misty.
I'm going to stamp on this. And I have to be careful because I think I got too much ink up in that corner. But I'm going to do Which You Were Here. Move that out of the way. What would we do without our Misties? Put that there again. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Black archival ink.
I
Jet
would
black.
have never thought to do same color ink for the little extra cuteness.
Yeah, it just is pretty subtle, but yeah, it's kind of cool. Now it's kind of, the pigment is coming up through.
So you're going to
So I'm going to add a little
layer.
There we go. Which You Were Here. That is from the, what stamp set is that?
Happy OWLoween.
Happy OWLoween. It's a little crooked. Now what do I do, Mommy?
Leave it.
Here, we're going to make it
Just
like
leave
this.
it. I mean, it doesn't really matter. I think.
Okay.
It means that you made it yourself.
I did. So we're going to put this on with the glue, wherever the glue is, which we're running low on glue. We need to bring some more home.
Guys, it is so hot in this room.
It is very hot in this room. We have blinds, but we don't have like blackout curtains. And so it makes it really warm. Which You Were Here. So yes, Saturday you want to be joining us at 12:30 over in the Oak group. So I'm going to put that coming down from there. That all right?
Oh, that's so cute. It looks good. Unique, one of a kind. Exactly.
There you go. Well, I thought I had it straight. So I'm gluing my little web, which let Jillian tell you about the spider.
Oh my gosh, it's so, there is this huge, and I mean
It's
huge.
about the size of this.
Yeah, that's huge in my opinion when it comes to spiders. It's hairy.
In real life.
It's hairy. It's gross. I tried to figure out what kind it was, but then I wanted to actually scream when I looked up spiders, and it was like, spiders of Ohio. And I was like, I can't do this. It is just clinging to a web on our back door.
On our back door at the office.
And I can't handle it. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, it's pretty big. It's been there for 2 days.
It literally makes me cry every time I go in there. I'm not being dramatic.
And I tried to take a photo, and it's not photogenic.
So
it gets
scary.
all blurry.
I do not want a picture. I do not.
It's big. He's a big boy.
I hate spiders. Lois, me too. Terrifying.
Okay.
Like,
Now.
it's just not natural. They're so scary.
This is like quick and easy card tonight, guys. Sorry.
For any spider lovers out there, I'm sorry, but it's just not my jam.
So there's that. And you could leave it at that and put it on there, and that'd be cute.
We lost 2 viewers.
No.
They love spiders.
About spiders?
Just kidding, guys.
Sorry.
I offended you. I'm just kidding.
It was kind of a brown, hairy thing.
Exactly. It was. It's still there. I know.
It is still there, because I don't have anything to kill it with. And you know, it eats bugs, so it's okay.
You know, I'm never going to watch the movie Arachnophobia. No, no, no. I thought about it a couple times, and then, no, no, no.
So did you, okay, I'm just like doing this. I think I was off camera. And this is the Fringe Flower. The ever so popular. Which is so cool because it can be like a mom. It can be used in the winter. And I'm just curling these under. Then I'm going to layer it on top of that. We don't know where we're going to put this one right yet, do we? Okay. Then I did this. And then just wrap these petals around. Give it a little more dimension. And our witch hats are coming Friday. By the way, they're in Colorado right now. They're just taking the long way home.
They don't want to be in Ohio either.
They said, oh no, it's going to be cold.
Colorado is also a place that gets very cold, so.
Okay, so there's that. I don't know where I'm going to put that. Maybe
I kind of don't even feel like it needs.
I know. It kind of doesn't need the flower.
Well, we just made a flower completely unrelated to the card. Yeah, I don't really think it needs it because you have that and it's just too many elements.
And we have that. Yeah, don't like the flower. We're going to go away with the flower. So tonight, it's basically, don't be afraid to use tone-on-tone inks. Because it just gives you that little subtle look. Now we could have done polka dots on the hat or polka dots on the background to change up instead of the stars, but stars are kind of fun. Always, okay, this is a tip. Wipe the backside of your stencil as well.
Oh, yeah.
Because I got some bleed through on there, I believe, of the gold ink I used. So, anyways, watch next month, or well, it'll be announced, yeah, October, I think. Oh, baby, sorry.
Oh.
Stepped on a puppy toe. That what the October craft along will be, and it will include a little cube of ink. It will be the silver one, I think, is what you're using for the star background.
Yeah.
Yep. So that will be included.
Minus the spider. That spider though is cute. Okay.
Cute
I like
spider.
that spider.
Like we could put the flower there. Flower on the. Yeah, the flower ruins it. I like it like that.
Yeah.
So really, that's all we have for you guys tonight.
Are you not gonna put that on?
Oh,
Put the green part?
That would help, wouldn't it?
I just pull it all together, you know.
Duh. Got to keep me on my toes here. I think our blessing today of the tire certificate has got me not thinking.
Been there, done that.
Okay, so there's that. So her vehicle that she bought last February, the 2021, and it's what we take to shows and everything, and I just got stuff on there. Dang it. Might have to use an eraser. Might have to redo this card. And it needs new tires already at 25,000 miles. So, the dealer said talk to Subaru, and Subaru was giving her $1,000 towards her tires, which were priced out at $1,450. So, what a blessing. I cried, because that's huge. So, anyways, I think my brain is still on the tires today. So, anyways, so there is the card. And quick, simple, easy. Have fun with it. If you want to order it, it's still pre-order. Still free shipping when you add this and the route insurance to your cart. Until we get them on Friday, then that will change Saturday. So if you want it, grab it, and we will ship them as soon as they are in our hands.
Yep.
So thank you for, yes. Praise God for all blessing, whom all blessings flow. I cried because some people haven't gotten any help with their tires because we're in a group, and some people have, and so I thought, well, let's hope we will. So, wow, huge difference. So, just brought tears. So, anyways, but thank you so much for joining us.
Yes, thank you.
There is the card.
And we will
See you next week.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.